What's up, guys? Welcome back to ReddyControls. I was once troubleshooting a washer tank system. It was supposed to fill it with water, heat the water, and then spray, but the logic was messy. The machine started spraying before the tank was even full. Operators were frustrated. Nothing made sense. So I stopped and rewrote the logic using a clean sequencer structure, and it worked flawlessly. In this video, I will walk you through the same sequencer structure of PLC ladder for process equipment program. We're going to use the parts washer sequence to explain the sequencer in PLCs. Say I have a simple washer tank which has an inlet valve and two switches to detect if the tank is empty or full, and then an outlet valve and a heater coil. Once the process is, we'll fill the tank with water. Once it's full, we'll heat it with a heater coil, and once the water is at a certain temperature, we open the outlet valve to wash the part. Right. So that's the process. Overall process is the first block is idle, we are waiting, and then we fill the water, heat the